In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map Google Drive in Windows 10 and 11. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to access Google Drive. Grab your favorite web browser and type in drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that contains the data you wish to work with. It's pretty essential to get this part right, since all your files and folders live in that account. Once you've made your way to Google Drive, look for the New button. You'll see it sitting prettily in the upper left corner of the page. Click on it. After you do, hover your cursor over the More option at the bottom of the drop-down menu. This is where the magic begins, revealing additional Google apps and features that you can work with. From this More submenu, go ahead and select Google My Maps. This action will open the mapping interface in a new tab. It might take a moment for the new tab to load, but hang tight. It's well worth the wait. When you're in the My Maps interface, you'll want to kick things off by starting a new project. Look for the option that says Create a New Map. Clicking this will allow you to set up a fresh project. This is your canvas, where you can import data, mark locations, and really get into the nitty-gritty of organizing any geographical information you need to manage. Now that you're ready to create your map, take a moment to name it. This step is super important as it helps you quickly find your map later. After you've given your map a name, it's time to dive deeper. This interface allows you to add layers or points of interest. For example, if you have various locations that are important to you, maybe these are client addresses, favorite parks, or points of interest for an upcoming trip, now's the time to pin them down on your newly created map. And here's a fun tip. You can import locations directly from your Google Drive. So if you have a spreadsheet with addresses, you could upload that and let My Maps sort them for you. This setup beautifully integrates your Google Drive storage with mapping functionality, making it easier to manage all your location-based files across different platforms. Once you've added all your locations and customized your map to your heart's content, be sure to check any sharing settings if you need others to view or contribute to your map. You can adjust these settings right from the My Maps interface. Before you wrap things up, take a moment to explore the tools available within Google My Maps. You can change styles, add descriptions, and even draw lines between points. With a little creativity, you can turn a simple map into a visual masterpiece that encapsulates your data in a way that is both informative and engaging. And there you have it. That's how you map Google Drive in Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy mapping!